Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to recreate this amazing look. First, I'm going to go in with some moisturizer and moisturize my face. My face has been really dry lately with all these Halloween looks, and that moisturizer that I just used is amazing. Next, I'm going to go in with a foundation that is a couple shades too light for me. If you guys remember seeing this foundation in my declutter video, I kept a couple products from each category so I can make another video. I want to do a video. So yeah, that's why I got rid of everything, but I kept one up from each category. So next I'm going in with a concealer, and again, this concealer is a couple shades too light for me. And I was going to just put it in the normal areas that I usually do concealer, but then I realized that I wanted to have my face be a little lighter. That foundation that I used, it just didn't do it. So I needed a foundation, or I needed to get my face a little lighter. So now I'm just putting that all over my face. I was scared at first that this was going to make my face look really dry and patchy, but it actually didn't. It looked really nice after I did this. I don't know if it was the moisturizer I used or if it was because I put a foundation down first, but yeah, I liked it. Or maybe it was the concealer. I have no clue. So I'm just going to finish this up, and then I go in to get rid of my brows. I recommend you guys doing this first. I just forgot to do it. So, and another thing that I learned is go back and forth on your brow with the glue stick, and then lay down all your hairs. It works so much better. So then I just went in with a powder, and now I'm going back in with this concealer to conceal the brows so they're like gone at this point. You can't even see them, right? Okay, so now we're gonna do the eyeshadow. I have been wanting to do this technique forever, you guys. You take a piece of toilet paper or tissue paper, whatever you want to use, and you just crinkle it up and then dab it into your eyeshadow, and then just press it on your face, and it gives these really cool designs or looks, whatever you want to call it. I love the way that this turned out, and also it was so much fun. This look did not stress me out at all. I actually, for the first time since doing my 31 days of Halloween, this is the first look that I actually had a lot of fun doing. It's just really easy, and it's just, you can just be creative. You can just do whatever you want. So I'm using the Profusion palette. I will have it tagged so you guys can check it out. If you guys don't know, I have all of my products that I'm using in my videos. I tag them. It's a new thing that YouTube came out with. So instead of leaving all of the products in the description bar down below, you can tag them, which is a lot easier. And it's easier for you guys, because you guys can just click on it and then it will take you to the site if you guys want to buy it or not. If you guys click on one of the products that I tagged and you buy it, I do make a commission off that. So I just want to be upfront with you guys about that. But yeah, so I'm using the Profusion palette. One of the Profusion ones. It has a lot of bright neon colors, and I just love it. And then I went in with the James Charles and Morphe palette, because the Profusion one didn't have some of the shades that I wanted to use on this look. So I didn't do the eyes the same. I just kind of went in any pattern I wanted to. And I love the way that they turned out. I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with the one eye, and then I realized I don't have any blue. So then I went in and put some blue shadow in there too. I love the blue. I love it, you guys. I love it. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in and put some of these eyelashes on from, of course, Ione. The Dollar Tree is amazing, you guys. Every time I go into the Dollar Tree now, they have a bunch of lashes. Like, they have a lot. So if you want some really good eyelashes, go to the Dollar Tree. It's $1.25 now, but they are amazing eyelashes. And now next, I'm going to go in and do my lips. So I have no lips. My lips are very, very, very thin. And I knew if I put some black lipstick on them, it would look weird. So I had to overline them. And I decided to really overline them. I went for some really big lips. I think I was trying to, like, if I could have any lips in the world, these would be my lips, because I want bigger lips so bad. I want to get lip fillers, but I'm kind of nervous. I'm a little nervous. I've heard some people talk about doing lip flip. What is it? A lip flick? Or is it a lip I don't know. Some people talked about that, and then other people say, no, just go and, get your lips done. So I want to do it, but I don't know if I can commit to it. So we'll just have to wait and see. So I just went in and I really overlined them. And now I'm just going in with some black liquid liner from Huda. And I'm just outlining my lips. I don't know why I did this. It must have been because the brush that I was using to line my lips probably didn't give it a really good, clean, crisp line. So I had to go over it. That's what I'm assuming. So I'm just going to do that. And then I go in with a black eyeshadow to mattify my lips. My voice is going, and I'm not even I don't have a sore throat or anything. I'm just tired. It's 8 o'clock at night. I was supposed to have this video edited and uploaded early today, but I had to take my daughter to the ortho, and then I got home and I went to bed because I was so tired. Our newest little puppy kept me up, so I had to go and take a nap when I got home. And then I filmed a video, and then I cleaned the entire house, made supper, and here I am now. So yeah, but I promise you guys, I'm going to get this together before Halloween is over. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm just going in with the same toilet paper technique on my entire neck and chest. And the only difference that I did with this is that I started mixing the colors a little bit to see how I liked it, because at this point I realized I want to do my whole entire face and neck with this look or this technique, because I liked it so much. It was so much fun. I'm like, I want to do my entire face like this. So wait for it, because it will be coming here soon. I haven't filmed it yet, but it will be coming someday. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed and keeping your eyes open, because I have a Halloween giveaway coming very soon. I went to the store and I saw this display that they had. I don't remember what brand, but they had a bunch of Halloween makeup collection that came out. And I was going to keep it for myself, but then I was like, you know what? I want to give it to you guys. So I will be doing a giveaway in the next few days. I'm not sure when, so keep your eyes open for that. Ooh. Okay, so next I'm just taking some black water activated paint, and I am really getting my sponge wet, and I'm just pushing it into my skin so then it drops down. I didn't like the way that the drops were happening. I wasn't satisfied with it. I wanted it to be a lot darker, and it wasn't. I don't know if I should have used different paint or what, but regardless, it is what it is. So now I'm just going in and putting some black liner up against my bottom lash line. And now I'm trying to do some of them same drops that I did on my neck under my eyes. So you will see here in a second. I was about to give up and then it happened. And I was like, yes. And then right there. You see, I just start shaking my head and it falls down and then we get the look. And then I was deciding, should I paint my hair? Should I not? And then I decided, let's paint it. I went in with some Wet n Wild cream paint and just used some pink and purple. And I love that I did this to my hair because it just brings the whole look together. But yeah, here's my look. I hope you guys enjoy it and I will see you guys tomorrow.